Yes, a new intro. What's up, guys? We're Reynolds here, and today we will be fishing in my backyard. I'm bringing worms, bobber rod, spinner rod, obviously. This is the fit I be hitting every time I do this. Yeah, look. I will see y'all in the water. Got you chilling. Chill down just a little bit. Unfortunate-tastic, bro. Your dog died? That's unfortunate-tastic. Keep just going, and I swear I'm not touching it. Guys. All I want is a trout. That might be a lot to ask for, I don't know why. Oh, no fish. No thought? Did y'all really think I had a fish? Did y'all believe I had a fish? Type in the comments. Somebody tell me how this got untied. Not untied, but undone. Let me tell you something right here. I didn't put it undone. I didn't tell it to be undone. You don't really think I would do that? Well, you guys, this is scary. Kind of leaf. I want no leaf. Nobody wants no stupid leaf. I might fly. What I think I might do, or what I'm gonna. Okay, I think I'm most likely gonna do it, but I'm gonna get my fly rod, make some homemade waders. And then fly fish. Not to sensitive, but like pretty dang soon. Cause I feel like it might be flies. I feel like I've been seeing things surfacing. I don't know. I feel like, I mean, they're biting on lures. I just don't know if that's like, I don't know if they're like active on lures. So I'm gonna fly fish. And then see what happens there. I'm gonna fly fish down there, and then I'm gonna come up here and fly fish. Boop. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go down there after this cast, actually. In fact, okay. Dang. I will see you guys whenever I am ready and I have the homemade waders on or whatever. I will see y'all. I will see y'all then. Oh wait, I'll see y'all then. Okay, we back. Got my fly rod. This is the setup I got. Fly rod. I have this guy from earlier, yeah, and then I have a nymph under it because, yeah, I don't know why. Some people would say that's dumb. Some people would say that's smart. Leave comments. Tell me if I'm stupid or tell me if I'm smart. I want to know. Put you down. Okay. Y'all, I might be chopped. Y'all, it might be chopped yum. Y'all, I'm definitely chopped yum. Yummy, rummy, dummy. And I'm standing in the worst way ever. Y'all, I'm chopped. Oh my gosh. The current is straight up taking me down right now. No! Straight up, there's no... It is not like... It is not taking its time. It's just, give me you. Come here, boy. No, hello, my name is River. Just cooking me up right now. Come on. I'm getting cooked up. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Water's in, boys. Water got in my freaking bed. It got in, guys. I haven't fly fished in like I don't know, a month. Still chilling though. I'm not chopped. No. There has to be water in them right now. They just feel cold. And they feel like they're doing this thing above us. Go. Oh, okay, wow. My bad, guys. Okay. Holy, okay, it's a trout. It's still freaking out. That was way too hard, guys. I got one. Oh my, I feel bad for him. Okay. Let me bring him in now. I think it's a trout. I mean, it looks like a trout. Yeah, it is a trout. Okay, guys. Oh. Okay. Wait, let me do something. Reel this thing. Wet my hands. Look at him, guys. Little coastal cutty. Oh, he perfectly got hooked. Come on, I'm trying, because there's a nymph on the end. Look at that, yo. Do y'all see that? Bro was not getting out. Yeah, look at him. little guy. Okay, let me get him off so I can get him going. So he can get going, let go. You just, okay. Just trying to get the freaking hook out, and then he just does that, okay. Oh, he gone. I watched him like swim off a little bit. He just slammed it though, man. Guys, it's a little deeper than I like it. Nice. Bet you I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna get your fish. If only I was there. No, I just got water all over my knee. Water all over. If I fall here, I better, first of all, I better not, but if I do, that's gonna suck. It's gonna suck. That's gonna suck. Yes, there's water all over my knee. There's my knee. There's water. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, fishies. Yeah, there's two hawks freaking flying in the air. Don't know if y'all saw him or not, but oh my god! Big old fish just slammed me. Oh my god! Oh my god, I saw it. Oh my god. Guys. Oh, I don't know if he's gonna come back. I think he got hooked a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, a fish is going after my thing, I think. Oh my god. I saw at least I saw something, man. Oh my god, guys. Holy cow, I'm gonna let that. Oh my gosh. The adrenaline is pumping like crazy right now. Oh my god, man. Fish be making me excited and mad, man, at the same time. And that's the one way you can get me excited and mad. If a fish bites my line and then I don't catch it. That's the way you can get me excited and mad. All back when me and them were fishing, at least last time we came here, there was a crayfish trap. And of course we didn't snatch it because it could be somebody's. And it was connected to a line that I swear I've seen there since the beginning of time. So I'm thinking it's super old. So if it's there, I'm bringing that up. Okay, this might have been a bad idea, guys. I'll say deeper. Yeah, no, I'm wet. I'm officially just frick it. I don't know if I want to go any deeper than this. I don't think I'm gonna go any further than this, chat. Yeah, I think I might just chill right here. Yeah, I think that's a good idea, cause it's above my legs. It's above my knees. Definitely. And tiny stretch, but like it's not that. It's like, I don't know, 10 feet smaller. I don't know. No, it's not the walk down. It's the walk up that I'm worried about. Oh my god, I'm gonna do it. Freaking monkeys! Oh, y'all better subscribe for this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're chilling. Not even 10 feet. Like 5. You know, it is chilly. Jolly good. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's too cold. I can hear a plane, but I can't see one. I don't like that. I'm streaming the streamer. Really, you're streaming the streamer? Wow, that's a new one. Never heard of that before. You're streaming the streamer? That's a pretty good way to use a streamer. Ooh, I heard a gunshot. It's somebody just shooting at their range. Cause behind us there's like a farm area and they got their own stuff. Oh, you live in Oregon! There. That's better. Yeah. You know me, vibing, thriving, driving. Okay. Oh, my feet are numb. Hey, I'm serious. I'm not lying. No, they actually are numb. My feet are completely numb. Come back home, my feet are gonna be black. No. Okay. Oh, fish just had my thing. Oh my god, a fish just had my thing. It might come back. That was a fish. I knew my thing was being weird in that moment. Okay, my battery died. I just went to switch out the batteries. And then, yeah, I'm coming back. I almost lost my lure once. I casted once before I actually went to go fix it. I almost lost my lure, just like, not my lure. I almost lost my fly. Just like that. Oh man, that fish literally had my thing and it was doing some weird stuff. It was just, my line was slack, so it was like weird. I couldn't really feel it. No, I could feel it, I just didn't know what it was. I thought it was a fish, but like, I was skeptical, so I just let it, and then I let it like just have it in its mouth. It is deep here. Like, deep. I would not want to search, so I'm just gonna like stay here. Like I swim here, but I would not want to get caught in this with stuff tied on my leg, with heavy stuff tied on my legs. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna move up. I'm officially making my ride back up. But I am gonna stop at like a good amount of places to get a few casts in before I truly dip. My body is like, no, I don't want to do that. You're forcing me to. I don't want to do it. I said no. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna be at the edge. I'm gonna be at the edges of all edges. So maybe I don't. So maybe I won't have to go through all this. No, I'm still gonna have to go through some deep stuff. Wait, Loki? Oh no, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, y'all. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna come this way, see if I can get that crayfish trap I was talking to y'all about. Yeah, it's here. Yes. It's abandoned. It's abandoned. Or whatever. Abandoned. Okay, it's not funny. It's not funny anymore. I'm not laughing. Oh, that's abandoned. It's old. It's like an old new gen. Absolutely vibing. They're not vibing. I'm lying. 3 of my 15. They are definitely a crayfish. Rolling. Holy cow. Oh my god. Wait, y'all. Give me a sec. It's bad. I need a second to situate my I don't know. Okay, got my thumbnail. Okay, I gotta go. Y'all are like super. Y'all are like a. Oh, I'm just gonna go up. I will see you guys when I'm up there at least, so I can give y'all a real outro. Oh my god. Oh. Ow. Yo, my boots are that heavy. Oh my god. Okay, y'all. Hey, good fishing. Wait, let me take this off. Give me a second. I need to have proper manners. Okay. Good day of fishing. Good fishing. Good fun. And we found an abandoned crayfish shop. And we got slammed twice and I caught one. I will see you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next video. The last push. Oh my god. Yo, I got like 10 pounds in each leg.